Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, May 23rd. As per usual, this is a little series that'll show you sort of behind the scenes and type of things you expect to see from us here for the Fabric Studio. This week we had it a little shorter, so I hope you all don't mind that. But without further ado, let's get right into it. I wanted to cut in here to let y'all know really quick that 1 week May Bash is underway right now. This goes through May 28th. I will put the link to this in the description below, but you get 35% off all the items that are in that category, so be sure to check that out. You do need a code for this, which is MayBash35, so type that in and you'll get your 35% off. And that does it for this week. Thank you all for watching so much. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so check that out. I wanted to thank y'all for keeping up with the series. Once again, sorry it was a little shorter, but we'll come back next week with a little bit longer. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we will see you next week.